So what are the factors that affect how much an injury case is worth? The type of injuries you have, the type of medical treatment you receive, the duration of your medical treatment, the amount of your medical bills, both past and projected medical bills in the future, whether or not you have permanent injuries, if you're going to require treatment in the future, what type of treatment, whether or not you've lost any income as a result of the crash. These are some of the factors. But short answer is the single most influential factor that drives the value of your case is the nature of your injuries and the type of treatment you receive. In a general sense, if your injuries are what are known as soft tissue injuries, whiplash, sprain, strain, a bulging disc or two, those type of injuries are less significant and less valuable as far as a recovery than other types of injuries, which might include herniated discs, protruding discs, annular tears, torn ligaments or tendons in your shoulders, your knees, your hips, your extremities, cognitive issues, traumatic brain injury, concussion syndrome, things like that. In a very loose sense, there's sort of a scale that is accepted, at least in the legal, insurance, and really even in the minds of juries, sort of a hierarchy of the nature of different injuries. It's pretty apparent to people that certain types of injuries are more serious than others. A herniated disc is more serious than a bulging disc. A broken bone is more serious than a sprain. A torn meniscus is more serious than edema in your knee. So that's sort of the way it is. So that affects the value. The type of doctors you see affects the value. The opinions of a chiropractor are going to take you so far, but the opinions of a board-certified neurosurgeon or orthopedic surgeon are going to take you further. So I think you get the general idea. I'm always more than happy to explain or discuss with you very candidly how your injuries, what I think the value of your case might be with additional treatment as it stands now. Part of my job is to just be brutally honest with decades of experience, where I think you fall now, where you might be able to go if you have additional treatment or if we develop other aspects of your injuries, which is why it's so crucial that we work together with you and your doctors to leave no stone unturned in getting you to the best doctors out there as we learn more and more about your injuries through your doctors, through your MRIs, through other types of testing, so that we can get you the best medical care and the best information about your injuries. At the same time, we're building the value in your case stronger and stronger. So when it's time for me to fight for you, I have more ammunition to use. If you have any questions, you're welcome to chat with us through our website at trialpro.com, or you can call us anytime at 1-800-TRIALPRO.